This is Plaza de España, one of the most beautiful places here in Seville, Spain. Hi, we're having a great time here. Hi.
Isso não estava a entender?
Sono 5 euro. No, no, yo te cambio, yo te digo.
Hi.
Si j'avais envie de m'y mettre.
Tu caches Maurice.
Ah, t'as vu, je cache Maurice.
Ah, madame, ah, voilà, ah, c'est pour
Para isso tinha que me dizer antes, tinha que pagar 5 euros. Para isso tinha que dizer-me antes, fazer assim, tinha que pagar 5 euros. Não me disse. Eu sabia.
Plaza de España.
Eu sabia
Hi.
disso.
Vale.
Desculpa, mas eu não sabia. Mas quando é 5
Hi.
euros, disse com antecedência. Não estava a entender.
It's lovely. So beautiful. Hi, who's that guy? Give me a wave. Hi.
That's the name. Pelli is the name of the Argentinian architect with this moving tower. And on your left hand side, the oldest bridge by the river. It was built in 1852 by a French engineer, Paul Anceau, the one who designed the Carousel Bridge. There were only little boats to cross the river. There's one boat beside another one, and so Muslims. So after the construction of that bridge in 18... Maria Louise of Bourbon, she was living here with her husband in the 19th century. And here you see behind the palace, she gave the palace to the church and the gardens to the citizens. A very nice gift. And in Pool, in Seville, the direction to the southern part of the city. So we will be
Hi. Hola.
a little paradise in the city.
Hola.
A gardener called dance here on the right hand side, the white and ochre pavilion, Argentina. You know that Spain and Portugal were colonizing America for a long time. Spain studied Spain and Portugal. The corner on the right hand side style is Colombian pavilion, the consulate of that country. Colombia's consulate, actually like a mosque, but the white in front of us, and you see the first lift. It was made in Manchester, used by the local. Right hand side you will see inside the gardens a very nice square. This one was dedicated to America in 19... Aníbal González. He was the artist, the architect who... So by pigeons, and 3 buildings in 3 different old classical. The 2 first white Spanish doves were gifts from Evita Perón, but now there are a lot. I told you that this is a lovely... We see all along this delicious walkway a lot of orange trees, and you see here on the right and left hand side of the road these orange trees that you will see everywhere in the city. There are more than 30,000 orange trees in Seville. These are bitter, sour. In January, who was John Sebastian Elcano. Elcano was accompanying Magellan and the first tour around the world, sailing from here, from Seville, in 15 Pavilion of Seville, presiding the entrance to the beautiful square. You see here in the middle equestrian monument being dedicated to El Cid, before to be Charlton Heston. I remember the movie, yeah, with it's a beautiful city, Burgos. So maps. Right, so you will know where you are, and they are very, very important also to keep them later on when we.
This is the UNESCO listed Seville Cathedral. And the Alcaraz Palace. These are our lovely tour guide. Her name is Sarah. Hi, Sarah. She's lovely.
I'm your guide and I love you.
We love you too.
Thank you.
So what do you call this one? Alcaraz Palace?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Hi. Hola. Buenos días.